Now I will pass the values not from environment variables, but from a file. For that, I open VS Code, and in my two input variables folder, I create a new folder, and it will be config. That's the folder name. Open it, and right here I will create a new file. It is terraform.tfvars. So in this file, we can define the values for our input variables. I will write two values. One is for policy description. I just copy this name, paste it here, equals, and in double quotes, I write description from variables file. That's good. We can also define here lists, maps. I will define a map. I will take for that tags object, paste it here, equals. I will take these two lines, pass them, and for creator I will write Terraform. That's better. And for source I will write object variables file. Okay, look. The Terraform.TFvars file is ready. Now it's time to deploy Terraform. I write the command terraform apply space. I write -var action underscore list equals open single quote, open square brackets, open double quotes, and I write s3 dot allow. Sorry, I better go to the AWS and copy those values. First will be list all my buckets, paste it, close double quotes, comma, open double quotes. I take the second line, paste it, close double quotes, close square bracket, close single quote, space, var, space, allow underscore s3 listing equals true. And now the new flag, it is -var -file space. And now I must provide the path to our Terraform TFVars. So it is the folder config / I go to the file, rename it, copy the name, and paste it in the terminal. I press enter. I must write a value for the sensitive text. I will just copy it from the SSM parameter. I will zoom out so that you can see it. I copy the value, paste it, enter. And let's check what's going to happen. One resource will be destroyed. Let's check which one. So the policy string will be destroyed because AWS cannot replace a description. It must destroy the policy and create a new one. One resource to change, and it will be SSM parameter. It will change from source environment variable to object variables file. And one resource to add. It means Terraform will destroy the policy string and add a new one. You have here the minus sign and plus sign. Let's write yes to confirm and press enter to deploy. What I see that the policy string was destroyed and a new one was created. Let's go to AWS and check what happened. I'm in the SSM parameter. I refresh the page. I see the tag changed, but no element was added to the history because I didn't change the value. I only updated the tag. Let's go to policy string. That's the old description, the old creation date. I refresh the page and I see the new description and the new creation date. Let's go to VS Code and commit the changes. I go to Git. I open Terraform.tfvars. I see that I created a new file. I add it to the stage and write the commit message, edit terraform.tfvars file, new line, input variables. That's ready, commit.